Whoa, get out a package or let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or unenveloping video. Today we have something from Rockywoods Fabrics. Feel free to check them out. Large variety of fabrics, sewing, repair. If you want to create something, check them out. Large variety of items. Rockywoods Fabrics. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. So basically, I got a project. Those who've been following the channel know that I ordered some stuff, and recently I had ordered some damaged items that were heavily discounted and turned out to be pretty easy to repair. So let's go ahead and open this and see what we're getting at here. Uh, Item in question I actually have out for repair right now is a parka, but the problem with the parka is that the material itself is fine, but the zipper at the very bottom portion had started to separate from the parka itself. So it's just a matter of time before the deterioration accelerates and the zipper just rips right out of that parka. And it is one of those small toothed, possibly I have to re-examine it because I don't have it again with me, whether or not it's a coil spring or actual tooth type zipper. Um, but either way, I'm having the zipper replaced with a larger tooth zipper. But the seamstress I have working on it right now also recommended that I get some sealing tape. So I had ordered MELCO Seam sealing tape for neoprene fabrics. So what I wanted to do is actually use this to run down both sides of the zipper and seal it to the parka itself. So this was actually the material that had deteriorated in the first place. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Again, this is from MELCO. And I don't know a lot about this material. I'm hoping my seamstress does. And hopefully I ordered enough. I do believe I ordered 3 meters. So if you translate to the imperial, 1 meter being 39 inches, 3 times that, because I want to run down both sides of the parka. I do believe it is a large long. It may actually be extra large long. I do not recall as well. I want to rather have more than not enough. But you can see here the material here. This is iron-on material. I do believe this is probably the portion that would seal on, and this is the portion that would be facing outwards. But I will leave that up to my seamstress to figure out. And again, just taking a very quick look at just one item that I had ordered as part of a repair project. Hopefully we can go ahead and once we get that taken care of and show that off once we get it back. It won't be mil spec, but it will hopefully be better than mil spec. So quick unboxing or unenveloping video from Rockywoods Fabrics. Feel free to check them out. A large variety of items. Rockywoods. I think I can get the logo into view right there. Excellent. So, Rockywoods Fabrics. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review meter reviews and a series called Curios for the Curious. Videos of more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.